Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be totally different because today I'm giving a makeover to my mother-in-law who is around 65 years old now. So please bear with me till the end of the video. If you're new here, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I'll try my best to give her a very natural nude kind of makeup look. I'm starting by the moisturizer from Cosmos by Bewakoof. I'm applying it to her face and massaging it for a few seconds. Next, I'm using primer from Bobbi Brown, which works as a moisturizer and a thick base as well. She's having a lot of wrinkles and fine lines, so it will help to cover it up. For applying the primer, I'm using a flat foundation brush. If you have any makeup requests or suggestions for me, kindly drop it to the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. Now I'm using concealer to the eyelids and above the eyebrows as a base. To apply the concealer above the eyebrows, I am using a flat angled brush. Instantly, I am using a light shade of eyeshadow to the eyelids without giving it time to crease. For the eyebrows, I am using a brown shade of eyeshadow from the palette and I am filling the sparse area, at the same time giving a definition and shape to the eyebrows. Then using a spoolie to brush it to make sure there is no harsh line visible. I'm using a warm brown shade from the palette and this is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm applying a golden shade to the crease from the palette Lakme 9 to 5 in shade Desert Rose. I'm taking a combination of brown and black from the palette and I'm applying it as a smudged liner. For the foundation, I am using a full coverage foundation stick from Colouressense and I am applying it using a flat brush. All the products that I am using in this video, I'll be mentioning in the description box with all the details, so don't forget to check it. Don't forget to apply the foundation to your neck area so that your neck and face will look like as one piece. For the concealer, I am using a full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey and I am applying it to the side of the nose, under eyes and upper lips where I could see some patches or uneven skin tone. For contouring, I am using Stay Quirky Cream Contour and I am trying to give some shape to the face because you can see she has a very round face. Now I'm using compact from Colorbar to mattify the look. Blush that I'm using is from Colorbar in shade 003 Flushed Satin. It has a really nice natural pink shade. Highlighter that I'm using is Metallic Master Chrome Highlighter from Maybelline in shade Molten Gold and I'm applying it to the usual areas like nose, cheekbones and brow bone. I love this highlighter because it gives a natural glowy look. For the lipstick, I am using a nude pink shade from Lakme, and then to neutralize the color, I am using some concealer above the lipstick. Share your thoughts with me about the look in the comment section, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To complete the look, I am using the same brown shade to the lower lash line and applying a coat of mascara. This is the final look that I have created so far. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.